Let's look at this. As you can see in this place, given that this is equals to this, we should find this. How do you do that? Let me show you. The first thing we need to do, we work on this first. That is, as you can see, this is index form. Please, if you have not watched all the videos on indices and logarithm, these later videos might be confusing. You need to start from the foundation. I will still try my best to repeat myself here, okay? As you can see in this place, we need to move this S to go and carry 2 so that this guy, 256, can come down. Because we used log here before, no need to use log again. Now I have 2 here. I want to do something in a way that I put something here that has 2. Because if I can have 2 here and 2 is here, I will say this is equal to whatever that is here. Okay, so what is the square root of this? That will give us the right answer. That is 16, because this is 16 times 16. So 16 raised to the power 2. Now, as you can see, this and this are the same. That is, the children are the same. So the parents are equal. So S equals to 16. This is the first step. Now that we have this, from this first leg of the question, this is what we are actually asked to find, not X. We need to find this. The word say find this. It did not ask me to find X. Now, let's go for this. This is what we are asked to find. That is log 1 over X to the base of 8. So what is our X now? S is what? 16. Okay? Now, as you can see in this place, there's a problem. We can't move forward. Because we cannot move forward, we need to think fast. I need to change the base. This we have its base, this we have its base. That is log 1 over 16 log 8. But what should be the base? Same base. As you can see in this place, I can easily move this to 2 raised to the power 3. That is 8. 2 times 2 times 2. Why this can also be changed to 2 raised to the power minus 4. Okay, because this is 2 raised to the power 4. This is minus. Because this is 2, I will put 2 here now as a common base. The only rule is, whatever you put here, you must put it here. I can put 10, I can put 10. I can put 5, I can put 5. But 5 is of no use here. It's only 2 that can help me. Okay? Therefore, I will move this here. I will also move this here. Remember, I taught you all this thing. Now, we can say minus 4 log 2 to the base of 2 all over 3 log 2 to the base of 2. This and this we cancel. We're going to have minus 4 over 3. This is the answer. Okay? Hope you understand this. Thank you.